Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to fix error code 5 in Marvel Rivals. This error can be frustrating, but following these step-by-step solutions will help you get back into the game. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check server status. Before troubleshooting your game, it's essential to check if the Marvel Rivals servers are down. You can visit the official website or social media channels for any announcements regarding server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve various issues. Close the game and turn off your device. Wait a minute before turning it back on and launching Marvel Rivals again to see if the error persists. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Marvel Rivals installed. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Outdated versions may lead to compatibility issues and error messages. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the error continues, clearing the app's cache and data can help. Go to your device's settings, find the Marvel Rivals app, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Note that clearing data will reset the app, so make sure you've backed up any essential information. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above solutions work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Marvel Rivals. This process will ensure that any corrupted files are removed and a fresh copy of the game is installed. After reinstalling, launch the game and check if the error has been fixed. Step 6. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Test your network by connecting to Wi-Fi or switching to mobile data. If you have issues with your connection, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 7. Contact support. If you're still encountering error code 5 after trying all these steps, it may be time to reach out to Marvel Rivals customer support. Provide them with details about the issue and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find a solution to the error code 5 issue in Marvel Rivals. Happy gaming!